Cut your tooling changeover times in half. Introducing NewTek Machinery's QWIKSwap tooling. You no longer need a ratchet and socket set to change your tooling. All you need is a pair of hands. Unclasp, slide, lift out the tooling. It's as easy as that. Here are the benefits of the QWIKSwap tooling. 1. No need for tools to change over your profiles. 2. Faster changeover time means more production and ROI on your machine. 3. The easiest, safest, most efficient NTM tooling ever. QWIKSwap tooling is only available in NewTek Machinery's SSQ3. Want to see the QWIKSwap tooling in person? Come to the International Roofing Expo in Las Vegas, where we will have 2 SSQ3s with the QWIKSwap tooling. Meet our account managers and machine technicians at booth number 3239. QWIKSwap. Just unclasp the 2 latches, slide and lift out the tooling. It's as easy as that.